Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are doing a Thanksgiving Q&A. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. Please take a second and consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a video. Here on our YouTube channel, we do everything homeschool, homemaking, and everything in between. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. So make sure to check that out. Okay, today I am participating in a collaboration over with Ingrid over at the Ingrid Chronicles, and we are doing a Thanksgiving Q&A. There are 5 questions I have to answer. I will leave those questions down in the drop box below. Also, there will be a link to the playlist because there are some other mamas that are participating in this collaboration as well. So make sure to check them out and their channels because there are some amazing mamas participating in this. Let's get started. All right, question number 1. I have not looked at these questions beforehand, so this is going to lead to some interesting answers, I'm sure. All right, because Ingrid always comes up with the best questions and she always throws a curveball in there. So question number 1 is, in your opinion, what is the most popular Thanksgiving side dish? Well, to me, that would be cornbread Southern dressing. I'm in the South. We love our dressing. So we don't stuff it in our turkey. We make a whole big side dish of it, which usually leads to being our main dish because we cut up chicken and put it in there. And if you want to check that out, I'll leave a video of that up here. But here in the South, we are all about our homemade cornbread dressing. So yep, that is my favorite. Question number 2. What are some of your favorite Thanksgiving leftover recipes? Well, typically we don't cook a big turkey, so we don't have the sandwiches because my kids aren't big sandwich kids. I mean, they'll eat a peanut butter and jelly every once in a while, and maybe Becca will eat a grilled cheese. Bailey doesn't like cheese. Leave a comment below. Are your kids not big sandwich kids either, or are my kids just weird? Well, you know, they're just weird because I'm their mom, and that happens. But the number 1 leftover recipe, we make potato explosions. We take our leftover mashed potatoes and fill them with cheese and bacon, and then we dip them in breadcrumbs and we fry them. And if you're interested in that, I can leave a video up here for that. The potato explosions are so good. Oh, they're amazing. Okay, what are some of your favorite Thanksgiving traditions? Well, we started this when Bailey was about 3, and we've stayed with it. Every Thanksgiving, we spend it at the beach. Yes, here in the South, we could be wearing shorts and playing at the beach in Thanksgiving. Sometimes we can even do it at Christmas. I remember we spent Christmas at the beach one year, and it was 80-something degrees, and we were out there on the beach having fun. So there again, Southern thing. But our tradition is that we spend Thanksgiving on the beach, and I go take our Christmas card pictures. I dress the kids up in their Christmas outfits or whatever they're going to wear, and then we take a picture on the beach, and that's what I use for my Christmas cards. So that's just our tradition. We go to the beach at Thanksgiving, and we take our Christmas pictures. All right, number 4. List 3 of your Thanksgiving favorites, like decorations, recipes, fashion. Thanksgiving favorites. Well, let's see. There again in the South, it doesn't get cold here like it does up north early. And so one day we could be wearing boots and sweaters, and the next week or next day we could be in shorts and a t-shirt. So my favorite is I love the boots. I love the sweaters. I love the pumpkin spice. I love all the colors of fall. I know she said name 3 things, but fall is my favorite season. If it's yours, drop me a comment and tell me why you love fall. But it's the smells, it's the colors, it's the clothes, it's everything about fall that I love. And so, yep, that would be my favorite things. All right, number 5. Besides God, your family, and friends, list 3 things you are grateful for this year. Oh, goodness. Okay. We can't list our friends, our family, God that we're thankful for. Well, I am thankful for a lot this year. With everything that has been going on during these crazy, uncertain times, we all just need to be thankful because we are all blessed in some form. So let's see, those 3 things that I'm thankful for. I told you Ingrid always throws a curveball in there. I am thankful that I was able to homeschool my children. I've been homeschooling them since 2012, but I am thankful, especially this year, that I am able to homeschool my children. Second thing I am thankful for is toilet paper. I am so thankful that I have toilet paper. I know everybody laughs about it, that, everybody's hoarding the toilet paper, and they are. It's like it just disappeared. It used to be aisles and aisles of toilet paper, and now it's just gone. So I am thankful that I have toilet paper this year. Number 3, let's see. Number 3 is I am thankful that I have a neighbor that has killed some deer this year because we love deer meat, and my husband's just not a big hunter, so he kills his deer and then he kills us some. So I am thankful that I have a neighbor that will shoot a deer for me and we will have deer meat to last. Thank you to Ingrid for hosting another awesome Q&A video. Make sure to check out the questions down in the playlist. It's an open collab, so you can add your video to it at any time. And if you can't add your video, let me or Ingrid know and we will add it for you. And make sure to check out the playlist and see all the other awesome mamas and how they answered these questions. As always, remember to be careful, be kind, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.